What's up, YouTube? So, just at practice with my kids before I get back to the house and start reassembling the B16 head, the ARP-3, and I'm going to be reassembling this. But before that, I have to make sure these guys go to their basketball practice for the game. So we'll be doing that today, reassembling this. So stay tuned. Okay, YouTube, so we're back after a couple of days of not being able to get much done. But nonetheless, we're back. We're trying to reassemble this head. But first, I'm going to try out this idea. This situation, this issue. I'm going to try that out. Let's see how nice that looks down there now. That looks pretty nice. Before we get started with all of that, we'll put this rag up underneath there. So don't get too much movement out of those things there. whatever the hell they're called right now. Out of the valves. Get that lined up in there. And we're going to try to push that in there. Let's see if I can get y'all a better shot. Yep, I think that's about the best shot that I can get you guys. About the best shot I can get you, and let's get two of these keepers out. Not sure if you can see that. There's a little notch. Right up in there. And that's where you're gonna wanna get that to seat. Watched a video where a guy was using his bare hands doing that. Kind of bizarre. So we have the keepers down up in this one here. That'd be the 4th cylinder that I'll be working on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one of these VTech pins, and I'm gonna place it right over top of where the keepers are. But first, let me attend to the little one.
So, like I was saying, using the VTech pin, then I'm gonna use a socket, a longer socket. Put a bigger socket over it with some wrenches. We're gonna push down on this thing. See what kind of love to get out of there. Nope. First, we gotta make sure that deep socket is actually on the extension. So VTech pins down on there, extensions on there, and did not want to see very well. Get that keeper back down in there. Try to get us another shot. Alright. Let's try to get us another attempt. And the VTech pin down in my 12 socket. Something to add just a little bit more pressure and weight. We're going to push down on here. Oh. Alright, so one set, that one didn't. Look like I'll be at this for some time, so let's stop.
So I have finally got this one valve in after a little bit of trying. And it took that much. Right after I stopped recording, I was able to get that one valve in. Really? Thank you. Right after I stopped recording, it took me little to no time to get it out. What are you doing? All right. Let me get back to this, get these in here. All right, so a lot of progress, a lot of headache, but I did get the retainers back, and with the springs, these double springs were kind of a problem to press in, say it that way. Got some other words wanted to say, but I'm not gonna use those, but it is what it is. But these, for the exhaust side, I have not yet put the retainers in these. But what I will do is go ahead and put the rocker arms. So right here, what we're gonna do is, since we already got the springs and retainers in the cylinder head and ready, what we're gonna do is start to put the rocker arms on.